Let's take a look at our brand new range of earth sparkles. These biodegradable high quality glitters deliver intense sparkle without the guilt. Made with eco-friendly materials, they offer the same dazzling shine as traditional glitter, but these are going to break down naturally over time. Unlike our previous Earth Sparkles range, these now come in our standard 15ml jar, giving you even more bang for your buck. In addition to classic gold and silver, we've introduced Prism Gold and Prism Silver, which create a stunning rainbow effect when the light hits them. Now, it's tricky to capture on camera, but trust me, in real life, they are absolutely breathtaking. A quick note, due to their vibrant pigmentation, some shades, particularly the blue and green, may cause staining on certain surfaces. So it's going to wash off skin, but it can leave marks on cardstock, fabric, things like that. So it's best to work carefully and protect your workspace. You can use these in so many ways, and all of the techniques that you've seen our design team use with the previous range will work beautifully with these new and improved colours. Head over to our website for inspiration and get ready to add a touch of sustainable magic to your creations with our shimmering earth sparkles.